Hello guys, hope you are doing good today. In this session, I will be introducing you to a first ever decentralized medicine network called MedPing, which is a combination of both blockchain and medicine. It is a first ever decentralized medicine network leveraging on the blockchain, DeFi, and NFT to solve out the real life problem facing by the current healthcare system and in developing countries in the world. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized public network that allows individuals, businesses, and companies to securely store and transfer all forms of data and currency instantly. Introduction. The current healthcare system is plagued by a variety of problems worldwide, and its effect is much more profound and felt in developing countries and historically excluded groups such as indigenous and Afro-descendants. Security is a major issue in the healthcare industries, and these breaches have resulted in loss, theft, exposure, or impermissible disclosure of their health records. Between 2009 and 2017, more than 176 million patient records got exposed in the data breaches. Can you imagine how much large this number is? The perpetrators stole credit card, banking information, and other sensitive information. In 2020, MedCity News reported a 55% increase in medical data breaches and over 26 million people got affected. So, what is MedPing? MedPing is the world's first decentralized healthcare ecosystem whose goal is to redefine and enhance the global healthcare system, building a blockchain based infrastructure for healthcare professionals and patients to seamlessly exchange values. MedPing is a design to lay the foundation for the emergence of a self-modifying, decentralized healthcare system with eventual potential for general growth and beneficial ethical characteristics. So, why MedPing? MedPing will enable a completely decentralized platform where users are in control, ensuring a transparent, secure, immutable, interoperability communication, exchange of information between a user and health provider. Key features. Its key features are going to be high throughput, low gas fees, insurance and lending, and seamless integration. MedPing ecosystem. MedPing ecosystem will be consisting of a MedSping, MedSwap, MedShop, MedWard, MedLink, MedCrowd, MedLendy, and MedInsurance. MedPing is a decentralized platform that will link the entire healthcare system together. MedSwap is a multi-chain wallet with one entity manage the management key and use of management key to control the assets. MedShop is a blockchain-enabled global buying and selling platform for domestic and cross-border medical e-commerce. And MedWard is leveraging on NFT and blockchain to build a tokenized virtual hospitals and medical games built on layer 2 technology, and it will be powered by a ping token that we're gonna discuss further in the video. MedLink. In order to link the modern hospitals together, MedLink will be used. MedCrowd will be used for the crowdfunding in a decentralized way, peer-to-peer network. MedLink, MedLendy is a decentralized finance in this ecosystem. MedInsure will be used to get insurance without the help of any bank. Now let's talk about the tokenomics. So the native token of MedPing is Ping, which is used to reward users for providing liquidity, exchanging values, as well as performing other operations on the MedPing ecosystem. Its total supply is going to be around 200 million, and this is how it is going to be divided in it. Now let's visit their site. Now we are in our browser. Let's take an overview of their site, medping.io. So this is how their site looks like. Let's take an overview of it. So as you can see, it will be containing of all the required information. It looks like it's well built by the professional. So let's scroll up. By clicking on this button, you can join their Telegram channel, and these are all the social platform handles. Make sure to follow them all. You'll be getting a lot of information about it. So this is their MedPing mission to safely secure from any central authority. Ecosystem, like we have discussed earlier, their ecosystem MedSwap, MedPing, MedShop, and other things. Platform, like if you are a provider, it can be used to connect with their colleagues, clinics, and all these messages will be HIPAA secured, and you will get all the latest updates and news here. For others, like if you belongs to others, you can use it for telemedicine, consultation, booking an appointment, and other medical services. And also they will be having a MedPing MVP product, which will be used to take a take a validated feedback from the users, and it will also act as a central point for the Medping ecosystem. Okay, so this is their roadmap. As you can see, they are looking like they are well planned, and hope they will get success in the future. By clicking on this, you can view their one-page paper or a light paper. By clicking on read more, you can read about the team here, and that's it about it.